Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com. Quick video here on Novavax. First of all, members, we got all of our growth stock lists. All the stocks on our growth stock list are actually positive. Got some, you can get the stops, the entries, stuff like that on the website, so make sure you do that. If you are not a Stock Market Mentor member, by the way, I'm glad you're watching this video, but the things that I'm talking about here on this video are things that we're putting into practice there with specific entries, stops, etc., and video explanations. So I really think this is a good idea for you to learn how to trade better. So anyway, Novavax. I was looking at the stock today and mentioned in our forum, like towards the afternoon, I said, hey, I would normally be buying this stock right here because I like the way that, it's in a nice uptrend. It's pulled back. It started forming a little bit of a base here last Friday, and then it's essentially held that base with a little bit of an upward drift this week. So it's kind of like you just kind of getting an early start on a stock that looks like it's about to spring through 20 and then up here. Okay, and so that would be a good trade. So I said, I think I would definitely make that trade. And then I looked up here to where earnings are, and I'm going like, oh crap, earnings are on Monday. So then I went and looked up when earnings were going to be reported on Monday, and the answer is after the bell. So I'm thinking, all right, I got like one trading day and about 10 minutes for this trade to work. And so I went ahead and took a small position in the stock. Typically, I'm not going to buy anything just before a weekend, just because, like, why do I need that brain damage? But in this case, I'm thinking, all right, so it's a day trade plus 10 minutes. Take a small position, and this is what I'm going to be doing. Like if you look at Cloudflare, which was a stock that we traded really, really well, this was doing the same thing. Okay, it started to run up here, and then on the day of earnings, boom, the stock ran up here, gapped up, and kept going and closed into almost at the high of the day just before earnings were released. And then after hours, earnings are released and the stock gets crushed. It actually went up a little bit more and then just got slammed and crushed everybody who bought right before earnings, but really paid everybody off who bought the day before earnings. So that's why I'm looking at Novavax. I'm trading it the same way. I don't plan on, I don't know this company, but I know this pattern. I don't plan on holding the stock into earnings on Monday afternoon. If they report in the morning, then I'm kind of screwed. Then I flipped a coin. But I'm seeing on earnings whispers that it's Monday afternoon. So I'll hold this stock, look for more upside, and then, if I can make 8 or 10% on a small position on a day and 10 minutes, I'll do it. So anyway, that's your trade. Hope it works for you. By the way, if the stock starts trading lower, I'll be out of there really, really fast. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you guys on Monday.